Hey guys, let's take a look at AMP real quick. Last night I saw that this coin had gone up quite a bit, and this morning it's up a little bit more, percentage-wise at least. Not really up so much, if we talk about the price. I think it was at 0081 last night. Now, there's a huge amount of volatility, and of course it could go down to that same price while I'm speaking about it. But I'm looking at this on the hourly chart, and typically this pattern where you have kind of like a U here is bullish. I would say the majority of the time that I've seen this in the past, this usually breaks up, to the upside. So let's put a mark here. Let's see if we can, get above this point from last night. I don't know if I'll mark this green. It's not really like, I would say green sky territory. I'm just going to put a little mark here, make it yellow, kind of like a warning here, because if we can break it, then we can probably move up. Now, let's take a look, 4-hour time frame. This is actually pretty good. You can see that we're above, most of where we've been since, almost the entire month, or at least most of the month, not the entire month. I mean, about what, 2/3 of the month. So that's a good sign. I'm not sure when the 4-hour closes. Let's see. Okay, we got a long way to go though. So we could easily pull back down, to this range, and if we do, I would say we're probably going to just range again between where we have been ranging. Now, if Bitcoin can have a bullish day, I do think AMP will continue above this line. And I would say that the magic marker is really the 1 cent. And I talked about this in previous videos about AMP. I'll mark this light green here. Now, I told everybody, if it pulls under 1 cent, and it did, that it was going to go back down to the range where it had been for a long time. So yeah, and it pulled back all the way to about here. Okay, it may have retested that range, where it was, here and here. It kind of did a retest, which, hey, that's actually a good thing, because if it solidified that as support, then that's a good thing. Now, we do also have kind of another pattern here, if I'm looking at it. We kind of have a W pattern here, you could see. And yeah, we just really need to break this neckline, really. Maybe I could even lower it a little bit. But let's just leave it there. I think that's a good spot for this. Anyways, if we break that, I believe that the price target it's something, I think it's something like this, like to the bottom of this W up to the neckline or something. I'll have to go back and look. I forgot. But anyways, guys, I'm not an expert with every pattern in the world, but anyways, I think this would be the target, and that's kind of where it was ranging for a while. So that would be quite good. So let's see, guys. We really just have to kind of break this mark here. Like I said, the neckline of this W pattern. And yeah, I do believe, I think that's the length that it should go technically. Now, don't get angry if it doesn't touch 010973. It may come slightly shorter, but nothing is perfect really in technical analysis, although it technically should be. But anyways, everything depends on Bitcoin. And guys, right now we are just above the 63.3. You know, I mean, we did get a good surge last night. I don't know if that was due to the Hong Kong ETFs or what, but we did come down during the night. We kind of retested this line and we got a pretty good hammer candle here. But right now we're approaching this line again, which is, you know, I don't like to see that. Because if we fall under that, again, we're going to, you know, probably go down to 62.6 again. And we need to keep this line at least. So, you know, this is the 15-minute time frame, guys. Let me put this on the 4-hour, though, and you can see, you know, a little bit better. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Now, we did break that resistance that I had drawn yesterday, and we got the pump, you know, probably due to Hong Kong. But now we're coming down. You know, okay, we can retest this, but let's hope that we don't go under, you know. But like I said, we still have quite a while. We got 3 hours on this, you know, candle here. So let's see what happens. Anyways, guys, that's all I got for you on AMP. You know, I am an AMP holder myself, by the way, so I do wish it good things. But right now, it's far from being out of the woods, and you know, we really have to clear these hurdles, and then we can start talking about higher prices. Anyways, guys, if you like this video, like, subscribe, activate the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one.